Alright guys, I am about to decorate here in the camper with my new decor that I got. A little black table runner type stuff and my pumpkins. So I'm going to set the camera down and show you what I'm going to do. Alright, so this one turns out it's not a really big tablecloth at all. So this is going to be something that I just drape over like this. Create a little visual interest back there on the sofa. You can see that. That way that's kind of between us. When we sit here and here, we'll have that. It's cute. I like spooky stuff. Alright, and then I'm going to do the stuff up top. The bigger tablecloth, table runner, whatever you want to call this thing. We're going to see how this drapes across. That looks cute. I like it. It may not be exactly even, but it gives a little visual interest there. And next, opening our little pumpkin garland, and I think this will go easier. And hope that this actually will work. Oh, the little knot came in that. Okay. Well, then we will have to make another little knot in the end. And hopefully I can make it close enough to where this will actually fit all the way across. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm just finishing up some of these. I'm just getting little pumpkins across now. Just trying to get them spaced out a little bit better. They're not going to be perfect by any means. Okay, now, can you see that? I turned on a light because I was trying to see up there. So now we have some cute pumpkin decor and spooky spider webs and bats and spiders. So that's what I've been doing today. Hey guys, it's Rhonda here. I am back at it in the camper. I am finishing my tiling that I decided that I wanted to do. Right here on the oven I have this wood look tile. It's peel and stick, so it's really simple. You just clean the wall, cut it, peel it, stick it, and all you really need is like a box cutter type knife. You score it, crack it, and it comes right apart. No muss, no fuss. I had decided, I think in yesterday's vlog I mentioned it, that I wanted to go ahead and tile all the way up the wall here. See how I stopped it originally right here. I'm continuing all the way up to the ceiling. So that's what I'm doing today, and I will show you the finished product when I'm done. Hey guys, it's Rhonda here again. I am pretty much done with what I was wanting to do for the tiling. I like how it turns out. It's very rustic looking. The tiles aren't even, and I wasn't going for a really straight line perfect look. And for right now I'm done, but I think I'm going to, you know, clean up the edges that face outward. But the way it sits now, I can live with this. I like it. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what I mean. See, it goes all the way up here to the ceiling, and then all the way down here. I'm back here, all the way here. So I think it looks really good. It's much better having tile next to my oven than just a wallpaper wall, because when we camp, we cook. I cook on this stove every time I'm cooking something on the stove. So yeah, I needed something that was going to prevent stains and things like that. And you know, if the wallpaper gets stained, it gets gross, and I wasn't going to live with that. So I put up this tile and it'll just wipe clean. So I like it. Tell me what you think. Have you ever used peel and stick tiles? Tell me how it went. Did you know, was it difficult? Were you on the struggle bus, or did it go great for you? Let me know. We'll see you out there. Bye.